Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bobby the Cheetah. Hello, folks. My name is Bobby, and welcome to Robot Wars. And this is how the series is about to begin. Each weekend we'll bring 6 robots will be in their 60s. Then we have a grand final 7th of last week. So the robots are ready. Let's see who's fighting in our first battle, shall we? Please welcome the robots in Uri today. Here it is, Terahertz. Ripper. Detonator. Mega Blade. Ram Force. And last but not least, Juggerbot will be the first 6 robots of the first heat. So let's begin our robots heat, shall we? Now, each of our 3 robots will be in the 3 minutes. Then the 2 will go through this heat stage finals. Then the 2 strongest will go through to our heat final. And the 1 winner will go through to our grand final. If we go to our judges over there, they know the criteria. Basing on style, control, damage, and aggression. So enough chatting, let the wars begin. From Oxford, in Oxfordshire, Terahertz. First up, Terahertz's main weapon is a double-edged axe to hit the opponents. From Oregon, in the USA, Juggerbot. Juggerbot's main weapon is a ram. It can run either way up. Hoping let's hit the road, but anything. From Staffordshire, Mega Blade. Mega Blade's main weapon is a spin blade. Let's see, it will do some damage. Roboteers, stand by. 3, 2, 1. Activate. Here we go. The first fight of the first series of Robot Wars. Juggerbot with that ram at the front. Take on Mega Blade. Terahertz with that powerful axe to try to do some damage. And it's doing some damage on Juggerbot. Mega Blade trying to spin that blade. Juggerbot push Mega Blade. Mega Blade scored damage on Terahertz. Don't forget, this robots have 3 minutes of each time, and they have to do some good damage. Oh, Terahertz nearly flipped Mega Blade over. And here comes Juggerbot, pushing with that ramming spike at the front of the robot. And we know how we do things around here in the arena. Don't forget. Here comes Mega Blade again with that spinning blade. Mega Blade trying to score damage, and Terahertz brought the axe weapon back. A Juggerbot is over. There's the underbelly. A Juggerbot. And we know Is Mega Blade still moving? Yes, it does. and try to score damage on terahertz. Terahertz. Look, one of these bots will go out. Juggerbot can move, and we know that. Mega Blade, try to do some damage. There. And Terahertz makes his axe. Who will go out with the first competition? We saw the tires being ripped by Juggerbot's tires in trouble. This is the first heat, and one of these robots will have to make it. If all three robots still mobile at the end of the battle, we have to make the judge's decision. Terahertz score damage, but Juggerbot push Mega Blade out. And there goes the tire. Will that cost that fight? Cease. So Terahertz and Juggerbot go through to the next round. From David, Detonator. Here's Detonator. Main weapon is a crushing arm to crush the opponents and do some real damage. From Subray, Rambot, Ramforce. Ramforce's main weapon is a pushing force to push the opponents away. From Newcastle, Ripper. Ripper's main weapon is a CO2 flipper to flip the opponents. Roboteers, stand by. 3, 2, 1, activate. And off we go, Decimator with those small tires to the front. There's Ramforce, and there's Ripper with a flipper, flipping Ramforce over. Decimator didn't do. Ramforce is back on his wheels, and Decimator will have to go on the claw. That goes the crushing claw to do some real damage, pushing Ramforce away. And it goes Ripper again, flipping Ramforce on its side. And Detonator crush Ramforce. Is it going to be all over for Ramforce? It's all over. So that's it. Ripper might put Detonator around. Cease. But as Detonator and Ripper goes through, let's see who will, in the heat save finals will be Terahertz will meet Detonator in the first heat save finals. In the second heat save finals, Juggerbot will meet Ripper.